Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to troubleshoot and fix an electrical no start with no reading on the display in a SCAG Cheetah zero-turn mower. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, and projects. This could be considered a no crank, no start issue. What is specific to this issue is that when the key is turned to the on or start position, the hour meter or display which shows the engine hours is blank. We will begin the troubleshooting process by checking the voltage of the battery, which is located behind the bottom of the seat. The multimeter shows the battery has 12.7 volts. This is more than enough voltage to turn on the display and start the engine. Next, we will check two separate 20 amp fuses near the battery cover. The knob to remove the battery cover can be seen on the left side of this view. Both fuses are in good condition. Usually when blade fuses are not working, the curved metal strip in the middle will be disconnected as if it was cut, melted, or burnt. With the battery and fuses okay, our next check is the instrument panel. We will remove the three fasteners on the instrument panel with a 9mm socket. It is possible that our hour meter itself is malfunctioning. If only the hour meter was broken, the display would be blank and the engine would likely still be able to start. At this time, the display is blank and the engine is not able to start. After turning the instrument panel over, we can see that one of the two connectors leading to the ammeter was disconnected. As a side note for safety, double check that the key is in the off position or the battery is disconnected before reconnecting electrical wires or electrical connections. This connector could be reinstalled on the ammeter, but it was loose. Not only was it loose, but it was likely disconnected because the mower recently hit hard on a few small holes along with the constant vibration of the engine afterward. So to quickly fix this electrical issue, a long nose pliers was used to help reduce the gap on the connector. The connector was still able to be reinstalled on the ammeter and was noticeably tighter. With both connectors tight on the ammeter, the instrument panel was positioned back into place. The three fasteners to hold down the instrument panel were then started by hand. As a side note, an ammeter measures electrical current or amps. To be wired properly, an ammeter should be wired in series or in line with the electrical circuit. Since it has to be wired in series, it makes sense that if the ammeter is disconnected, it would cause both the hour meter display to be blank and the engine not to start. The fasteners were then tightened with a 9mm socket. In this view, the hour meter was able to display engine hours with the key in the on position. Here is a closer view of how the hour meter should function with the key in the on position. Although the hour meter display was not a fuel issue, I wanted to double check the fuel level before restarting the engine. This would again help to confirm and troubleshoot the engine start as an electrical issue and not a fuel issue. Since this tank was full, I set the fuel valve to it. I also double checked the connections to the battery itself to make sure they were tight. The battery cover was then tightened down with the knob. Although not shown, the engine was again able to start with the loose connection reinstalled on the ammeter. Although this is a SCAG Cheetah, this could easily apply to other lawnmowers with an ammeter or loose electrical connections. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.